How to make YT shorts with Canva. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can make YT shorts using Canva. Now, you can either use the Canva app or on the web browser, or you can do it on your phone web. Simply head into canva.com. Then what you can do is you can simply search for templates here. On these templates, you want to type in YT shorts. So you can simply type in search. Now you do not want template, you want the particular aspect ratio here. So you can see there are various sorts. You can proceed to edit any one of them, or you can create a new project, tap on the plus icon and proceed to choose the file and upload it. So you can see custom size here. You can choose the size of the shorts and you can proceed to edit it. You can simply drag it, then edit your short video, apply more customizations, and you can download and share. So this is how you can easily edit a short on Canva. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.